In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile customer and supplier accounts in Xero. 5 minutes, we'll walk through matching your bank transactions to the right invoices and how to handle situations like overpayments so your customer and supplier balances stay accurate. Start by signing into Xero, use your usual login details, and if you have multi-factor authentication enabled, complete that step to keep your account secure. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the bank account you want to reconcile and open the Reconcile items screen. You'll see bank statement lines on the left and possible matches on the right. Choose the bank line that relates to a customer payment. To connect it to an existing invoice, click Find and Match. Use the search to filter by contact name, invoice number, or amount. When you see the correct invoice, select it. Double check that the amount and date make sense and that the remaining balance is zero after the match. If everything looks good, proceed to match it. If the amount received doesn't match an existing invoice or it's an advance payment, create the right accounting entry directly from the reconciliation screen. Click New Transaction, choose Receive Money, then select Direct Payment and change it to Overpayment. Assign the correct customer contact, enter a clear description or reference, and confirm the amount and date align with the bank line. Save the transaction. Xero will create a customer credit that you can apply to future invoices or allocate against existing ones later. After saving, you'll be back at the reconciliation view with the bank line now linked to your new or matched transaction. Review the details one more time, click Reconcile, and confirm with OK. That completes the customer side of the reconciliation for this bank line. The same principles apply to suppliers. Match bank payments to bills where possible, and where there's no matching bill or you've paid more than owed, record the transaction appropriately so Xero creates a supplier credit you can allocate later. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Make sure contact names are consistent so searches work smoothly. Check dates and references to avoid mismatches. And use meaningful descriptions so future you and your auditor can understand what happened at a glance. If you can't find an invoice in Find and Match, confirm it's approved, not drafted, and that the currency and amount line up with the bank line. And that's it. You've matched payments, handled overpayments, and finalized the reconcile, keeping your customer and supplier accounts accurate and up to date.